been reaching about 7 million children each year for the past several years. And unfortunately, the Census Bureau tells us we have about 14 million children in our country that live in poverty. So obviously we'd like to try to reach as many of those children as we possibly can. So this year we'll be conducting well over 800 campaigns, big towns, small towns, big cities all across the country, covering all 50 states.
We started with Toys for Tots many years ago. I think we ran maybe a couple thousand boxes for them. And today we've taken on over 100,000 boxes this year. So I think it gives people a lot of satisfaction in knowing that what you're doing is good, and the toy collection process and the kids that you affect on Christmas morning kind of summarizes the efforts of our community involvement. And I think people here take great pride in that program and the partnership we've had with Toys for Tots for many years.
So the corrugator is the machine used to corrugate or make sheets of corrugated that then get converted into boxes. Having a corrugator allows us to reduce some fiber, which is kind of a sustainability factor for Welch. We want to always continue to do the right things, but it's allowed us to use some unique paper combinations to ultimately decrease the total cost of output off the machine, give that back to Toys for Tots. You can go around really to any state in the United States and see the Welch packaging Toys for Tots boxes, and I think it's something that kind of bonds us all together, a sense of pride for our entire team, and knowing that it's for a really good cause, I think has even a greater impact.
We had supplied for Norm here in Elkhart, and they said, man, we like that. And that was 15 years ago, and somehow it went from a couple hundred boxes here in Elkhart to 100,000 nationwide. Initially, the box that we supplied here locally, it was just a plain white box. So then Toys for Tots supplied us, they called them posters, we called them labels. We'd put labels on two different sides. It had their nice little Toys for Tots logo, their train logo and all that stuff. So then we went to a direct print box, which we currently run, which is a two-color, put it on all four sides. And
it's a two-color model white die cut item. It's a 1, 2, 3 bottom. So the consumer just has to flip it over, fold the flaps 1, 2, 3, and it locks in place. And it's got access holes on the sides for ease of carrying. And we run it in one pass on our Flexo floated board. Last year, one of our bins appeared on Ellen. So when we get to go back and we share that with the crews and the plant that ran them, it makes them really excited to see that we're making a difference, not just in Elkhart, but around the world.
The vision here at Welch is to help make a difference in not only our customers' lives, but our associates' lives and in the community. And so I think by producing and manufacturing the bins for Toys for Tots, it directly relates back to that vision. And, I think we sit here in Elkhart, Indiana, and knowing that we're able to help manufacture those bins that do support such a huge cause across the country is definitely an exciting thing to be a part of.
So when I look at the lives that we've touched through Toys for Tots and the millions of people that we've affected by that, it's very rewarding, and it makes me feel really good that the cause and purpose of our business is being fulfilled through Toys for Tots.